Good morning, class 3. Today we will discuss about chapter 5. Okay, now we will start chapter 5. Now, our chapter 5 is good food, bad food. Now, it comes under healthy eating habits. Okay, now all of you open the page number 17 of your book. Now, beta, we will read this chapter and I will explain you. Okay, do you very often compel your papa to have outside food? Do you know that the outside food is mostly unhealthy? Eating from open stalls is the major reason for the spread of diseases like jaundice and diarrhea. We should avoid eating from outside as much as possible. In case we take outside food, we should be very selective. Now let us listen to a conversation taking place in a class on healthy food. Now it was a lunch break. Okay. The teacher was also having lunch with the class. While having lunch, they began to discuss about dishes each of them had brought. Okay. The teacher said that they should take nutritious food rather than choosing tasty food. Okay, while teacher and children were discussing, so teacher said we should take nutritious food. Okay, my mom told, okay, wait, rather than choosing tasty food, my mom told me that outside food is not good because they use some products to increase taste and add colors to improve the looks of the dishes so that it can be sold very easily. Okay, said Rohan, it is so. Asked Rita. Ravi said, if you happen to see the kitchen of any of the eating places, you would never eat from there. Okay, if you will see the kitchen of every any outside restaurant and all, so you will not eat from there. It is very dirty and unhygienic. Okay, so that those kitchens are very unhealthy and unhygienic and dirty. So of them use adulterated materials to reduce cost. Okay, so they use a worst or not good material for, okay, to reduce cost. In my opinion, eating from outside occasionally for a change is okay. But if you eat outside food frequently, you would fall sick. Okay. So occasionally the outside food is okay, but when you frequently eat outside food, so you will fall sick, said the teacher. So teacher said outside food is not healthy. She continued, to be healthy, one has to eat a balanced, nutritious food. Okay, if you want to be healthy, so you you have to eat balanced, nutritious food. Okay, what is that? Asked Rita. So Rita asked her teacher, what is that? It means that your food should have enough carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, etc., which are required for normal growth, said the teacher. Okay. So the food should contain carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, etc. These are required for normal growth. Okay, said the teacher. So teacher said these are required for nutritious food. Which food has all these? Asked Kishore. Okay, Kishore asked which food contains all these nutritions. Okay, you will not get all these from any one food. That is why you should take care to eat different things at different times. A combination of chapati, pulse, rice, pulses, milk product, eggs, meat, vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc., can give enough of these. You can make meals with a combination of any of these, said the teacher. Okay. Now these all are healthy food, so you have to eat these different things at different times. Okay. You can make meals with a combination of any of these, said the teacher. So teacher said you can make the combination of any of these. Okay. Home cooked food is not as tasty as outside food, remarked Hari. Okay. Hari said that home food is not tasty as outside food. It can be made very tasty if you learn cooking. Okay. So Hari said it can be tasty if you learn cooking. One should use the correct proportion of all necessary ingredients, commented Kishore. Okay. Kishore said if you will use proper proportion of correct proportion of ingredients, so it will be tasty. One more thing I would like to add, said the teacher. When we buy food items, especially fruits and vegetables, we should go for organic food. Organic food items are those which are grown without using chemicals, fertilizers, or pesticides. Okay, when we go for fruits and vegetables, so we should purchase organic food. Okay, which are grown without chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This is very important as most of the fruits and vegetables we buy contain high amount of chemicals which are dangerous to our health. Okay. So when we buy fruits, so these are dangerous to our health because it contains high amount of chemicals. We should not eat rotten food. Very hot and very cold must also be avoided. Okay, we should not eat very hot or very cold food. Alright. Similarly, eating spicy food is also not recommended. It is also important to eat food at regular intervals. Okay. Now, spicy food is not good. Alright. So, we should eat food at the proper intervals, regular intervals. We should chew the food well for proper digestion, said the teacher. Okay. If we will not chew the food, then this will not give us proper digestion. While eating, Hari took a glass of water to drink. The Rohan said, drinking water along with food will dilute the acids. Okay. When Hari was taking the water, so Rohan said that eating along with eating along with the food, drinking along with the food, the water, this dilute the acids, which are produced to digest the food. Okay. Rohan is correct, the teacher said. It is better to drink water 1 hour before or after having food, but if you feel choked, then you may drink water. Okay. Water should, teacher said that we should drink water before 1 hour and after the meal. Okay. By the time their discussion came to an end, their lunch also get over. Okay. So we should eat healthy food and organic fruits and vegetables which should not contain chemicals and all. Okay. So this was the discussion of teachers and students in this chapter. All of you read this chapter today. Thank you.